Hey, welcome, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube. It's Daddy here from Dad Simply Cooking. We're making breakfast. My favorite breakfast. If you're looking for a dish that will feed the whole family, fill their tummies, make them feel full, and just absolutely delicious, where they clean the casserole dish for you, this is a casserole you want to make. Made this a while back, and I fell in love with this dish. So let's get into it. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It is Dad here from Dad Simply Cooking, and happy Father's Day, dads out there. I do want to sit there and say I got one photo that my kids made, but today we're making my favorite father's breakfast, which is a tater tot breakfast casserole. 10 out of 10, highly recommend this. So go and get some hash browns or tater tots and cook them on up. I cooked mine in the air fryer so they're good and crispy and done. And I'm gonna set them to the side, let them cool for a second. While we cook our hamburger meat, I do have 6 eggs, some cheddar and pepper jack cheese, and some sour cream, of course, to go with potatoes, and some cream cheese. Cream cheese is gonna go in with the tater tots. This is one of my favorite go-to dishes if I know we're going to be having company come over or stay, or I really want to impress people when we're doing breakfast things. This is the dish I go to. Drop my sausage right on in. And this is just a super easy casserole, but it tastes phenomenal. I let my sausage brown. Alright, so with my tater tots, I'm just going to start mashing that cream cheese on in there. Now with my sour cream, I'm just going to add some of this on in. Season them on up with some salt. Natural seasoning. And of course, pepper. Now drain the grease. Drain your grease. I drained my grease. We're going to go ahead and add it in to our potato mixture. It doesn't have to be cooked all the way through because it's going to go into the oven at 350 for about 20-25 minutes. This is going to help also melt that cheese on down a little bit. So, my casserole pan. And then into our oven at 300 degrees. I forgot. I'm glad I caught myself before it's too late. Eggs. Now, I'm gonna kind of make some slits throughout this so the eggs can kind of like seep through. And then pour those eggs right on it. And then kind of just like work those eggs on in. A little bit of cheese. Now I'm going to leave off my favorite ingredients on this until I cut my piece out because my kids don't like that. A little bit more pepper for my little pepper girl. And put it in the oven, 350. About 20 to 25 minutes. Alrighty. I'm excited. Oh yeah. Cheesy. Look at that. Cheesy and delicious. I tell you. The only one thing left to do is to eat. But I like to put a little bit of red chili flakes on mine because I like that kick. And we're gonna try it out. That's exactly what I wanted. So y'all, happy Father's Day to y'all, the dads out there. I want to say thank y'all for watching my videos. If y'all will, I greatly appreciate it if you like, comment, and subscribe. Make this for any kind of event coming up. It will kill. I love it. I love y'all. Thank y'all, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!